Gaming and musical comedy, yeah, buddy.
They lean on their old ones.
Oh, there's a shoe on my head, there's a shoe on my head, and I think it's really, really cool. There's a shoe on my head, there's a shoe on my head, and I don't think that it makes me look like a fool. Shoe on my head, shoe on my head. Everybody does it, it's a shoe on my head. Shoe on my head, shoe on my head, Nick, yeah, you got it. Shoe on the head or a head on my shoe. If I'm dyslexic, big E dude, I be dude big E or E dude big. There's a shoe on my head, there's a shoe on my head, and that's making me wish that I was not dead. Oh, shoe on head, there's a shoe on head right now, there's a shoe on head song. I love you too, but not in the gay way, don't. It's hard to solo with a shoe on your head. Only the rhythm, a shoe on the head. Oh, there is an invisible giant on top of me. He's wearing one shoe, it's not Nike, it is a Via. It's a running shoe, don't you know? Holy crap, oh, go with the flow. Shoe on the head, shoe on the head, shoe on the head song, and it's gone. Woo!